In this video, we'll show you how to install Alpena's Multigloz 194 bulbs. Protective eyewear must be used when installing these products. Let's get started. Open the boxes to lay out your product and ensure that you have all your parts. Before installing, ensure that your vehicle's power is turned off. If required, carefully remove the cover or housing of the bulb that you wish to replace. With a pair of gloves, remove the existing bulb. Now, insert your Alpena Multigloz 194 bulb. Test the operation of your new bulb by turning on your vehicle's power. Now that you've installed your Multigloz 194 bulbs, let's check out their features. Activate the bulbs by pressing the power button on the included remote. Now, cycle through the colors. You can dim the bulbs using the dimming feature. Next, try the flash feature. This will allow the bulbs to strobe. Finally, the transition feature allows you to smoothly transition through various colors. Pressing it again will pause the current color and transition. That's it. Now you're ready to enjoy your Alpena Multigloz 194 bulbs.